You're welcome to App Fix and In. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off repost on Instagram. So you want to turn off repost on your post or reels on Instagram. This video is actually going to help you solve that. Right here is the home page of my Instagram app. As you can see, none yours. At the bottom of the screen, you can see your profile icon. So you need to go to your profile like this. So this is my profile on Instagram. So right here at the top right corner, you can see the three line icon. Go ahead and click on it. So looking here, you can see a lot of options. You need to scroll down gently like this. Looking right here, you can see where it says sharing and reuse. You need to go ahead and click on that in order to expand this section. So looking here, right here you can see where it says repost on post and reels. You can see that right here. That's the third option. So you need to go ahead and turn it off like this. So once you turn it off, you've been able to turn off repost for both post and reels on Instagram. Now I hope you found this video helpful, because if you come to the very end of this video, this is how simple it is to turn off repost on post or Instagram. Now like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos on this channel. See you in the next one.